I'll show you the core strengthening and stability exercises with the use of physio ball. So I'll start with the first exercises. So just lie down on your back, keep the ball at your leg. Yes, you don't need to take pillow while doing these exercises, because it will also strengthen your neck core muscles. So don't use the pillow while doing this exercise. So first, just place your legs on the ball like this. Keep your both the hands at the side of body and press the heel on the ball and try to lift your body like this with the engagement of tummy and glutes. Try to maintain the position of ball, because it will like rotating, it will move. So try to maintain it. It will engage your core muscles and also strengthen it. So hold it for 5 seconds and relax it. When you are doing for the first time and when you are starting, so you just need to hold the each and every position for a less time, and then you can increase for the improvement later. So press the heel, tummy tuck, glutes tight, press the heel and lift it up. Hold for 5 seconds. Try to maintain the ball in the center position. Relax it. So the next exercise is the same, but with the hip and knee both in bending position. You can use that exercise for the progression of this exercise. So when you are able to do completely this exercise, then you can progress it to this exercise. Keep your both the legs in 90-90 position. From your hip and knee should be in the 90-90 degree position. Your heel should be on ball. Place your both the hand at the side of your body. Try to engage your core muscles, like tighten your tummy and tighten your glutes, and lift the body up with the engagement of glutes and tummy, abdomens. Hold it for 5 seconds and just make sure that your position of 90-90 of hip and knee should be the same while doing this. Relax down. Again, tighten your abs, glutes, like this, glutes and abs. Engage it and press the heel and lift your body up. Maintain it for 5 seconds. Relax it. Okay, this is the second exercise, which is the progression of first exercise. So for third one, you just need to maintain the same position like this. Lift it up, lift your body up and do this movement with the engagement of your abdominis and also your glutes. Relax. Just do 5 repetitions and relax. Then start from the starting position again, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. This is the third exercise. Now, the fourth one is your lower, which activates your lower abs. So for that, you just need to put both the hold ball with both your legs like this. But before that, just make sure your both the hands should be below hips, and hold the ball like this and try to lift ball ball like this with the engagement of abdominis and glutes. Hold it for 5 seconds. Relax it. Again, tummy tuck, glutes tight and lift it up. Hold it for 5 seconds and relax it. You can also do next exercise like without hold, like do the repetitions 1, 2, 3, relax. If your lower abs are weak, then you can start with the three repetition and relax it. You can progress it later. 1, 2, 3, relax. Now going forward with the next exercise, you just need to sit on the ball like this. Put your both the legs in hip and knee 90-90 position, like the same way which we have did before. Like hip should be 90 position, 90 degree, and knee should be also in 90 degree position. And with this, you just need to tilt your pelvis. So for that, hold your both the pelvis from here and just tummy tuck. Maintain it. Relax. Then again, tummy tuck. Maintain it. Relax. It is posterior pelvic tilt of pelvis. It will straighten your curve of the lumbar spine. Relax. And the next is anterior pelvic tilting exercise. In that, you can like increase your lumbar spine curve like this. Your lumbar spine will increase the curve. Relax. Again, hold it. Relax. It is very difficult to do this movement on ball because the surface is unstable. So you just need to it will engage your core also, and you are doing the stability exercises on physio ball. Now we will do the movement of anterior and posterior pelvic tilt without hold, like this. For the progression of this exercise, you can like hold both the hands forward, maintain the same position, and do the pelvic tilting exercises. Anterior tilt and posterior tilt. This is the anterior tilt and this is posterior tilt. I hope you like this video. Thank you.